So for this video, we're going to look at how we can recreate a map and revisualize the data that it displays. So first of all, you're just going to want to grab a map that you want to copy. For this one, we're going to use this map, which looks at the life expectancy of trees. So for starters, we want to put a background in QGIS. So what we're going to do is create a map in Mapbox, a base map, and we're going to publish and share that like we've done before. And we're going to drag and drop that into QGIS. So here I've already done it. We've got our background map, just showing the minimum necessary stuff as does this map. So what we want to do next is we want to grab the data. So you can go to websites like VicData or Auran, any sort of Australian data websites. And what you want to do is just search up keywords for something similar to what you're looking for. For me, I found this tree data set, looking at species, dimensions, etc. So once we've found a website with a data set that matches what we're looking for, we want to scroll down. You can download the CSV, but for this we want the KML file. So let's hit this and let's download that. Then what we're going to do is go back to QGIS. We'll open that up. We've got our KML file here, and let's just drag and drop that in. Might take a moment to process. So now that that's processed, it has all these points that we can upload. So let's click that. Let's add those layers in, and they should appear on our map. There we go. As you can see, we have lots of points, but issue is they all look the same. So let's fix that. So what we want to do is open up the properties tab for this layer. We'll go to symbology and let's click categorized. Once that's in, we want to change this value ID and let's go to useful life expectancy. We can classify that. Let's hit yes. And as you can see now, we have lots of different life expectancies marked in different colors. So we can apply that. Let's hit OK. And here we can see that has appeared on our map. So if we refer back to our map that we're trying to recreate, we can see that it only has 6 values, but we have all these extra ones. So what we want to do is just go through and delete all of the values that we don't want to show. So let's do that. And then we have these 6 values. And what we can do now is we can change the colors of the dots to match the spectrum that they have used in this map. So here we go. We've changed the colors of all the symbols. And as we can see now, once we've hit apply, they are appearing correctly on the map. So to make our map more readable, something else we can do is, one, we can change the size of our markers to make them smaller, so more of them are visible at more distances, as well as we can change the stroke style to no line, so there is no extra outline or color obstructing the markers themselves.